It's the last time it'll be like this. It's for you, Kyle. While you're away, you know, gotta take care of it. It's already up to temp, but that's where the stomp grip was. I already took those off. I'm getting ready to pull it back inside and take all the fairings off and then start getting the dip off. Because I gotta take all the fairings back with me when I leave tomorrow morning. Man, this thing's sexy. Oh. Should be different when you get back though, bro. So welcome to a new series. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but basically this is my brother's bike. It's a 2013 or 2012, I don't remember. CBR1000rr. Obviously full track specs, so no headlights, no tail light, lightweight aluminum subframe, and then just full fiberglass fairings, cat delete, arrow, exhaust, I forget what you call those things, Samco hoses, Bazzaz unit, quick shifter, the whole works. He's currently overseas in Korea for the next 10 months, and I told him before he gets back that I would have the bike redone for him because this is all currently plasti dip. So we got the new decals on the way, and I'm gonna just take all the fairings off and then yeah, just strip it down and then redo it for him. Probably a similar design to this, maybe not as much red on the front. It's not my bike. Like I said, it's my brother's bike, so whatever he says goes. I'm just gonna be vinyl wrapping it for him. So step one is just take all the fairings off and then get all the dip off. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, that only took 8 minutes to tear the whole bike down. I expected it to take a little bit longer than that. See the lightweight subframe here, Bazzaz unit and everything. But yeah, she's all torn down, so I guess next step is just to start peeling all the, well no, I still gotta take the windscreen off, but yep, just gotta peel all the dip off. This is gonna be the fun part. Made a lot more progress in a lot less time than I thought though, so let's get it. Here's the gas tank cover. It's coming off pretty nicely except for where we super glued the stomp grips on, but it's gonna be a long process getting all this off. Oh well, it'll look better. Alright, well that didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. I had some help though. Dad and little sister came down to help out, but they're all stripped. So it's just down to the gel coat on the fiberglass. And yeah, I'm probably gonna have to paint that front fender because vinyl is not gonna stick to that. It's way too rough. But other than that, I'm gonna paint the fender, the inside of these intakes, just the openings on them, and then probably just paint the inside of all of the fairings. Gas tank doesn't matter. Underside of the fender because it's actually white. That's gonna have to be painted because it was dipped. peeled that off, obviously. Belly paint the whole underside of this, and the whole inside of the belly pan. Kyle dipped it, my brother. He plastic dipped all this, but that's going to be impossible to peel all this off. So I'll probably just clean it really well and then paint right back over top of it. But I guess that's all for this one. Didn't really take nearly as long as I thought it would, so now I'm just gonna go throw it all in my car and then take it back with me to the shop. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Next update will probably just be painting the whole fender and then all of the insides of the fairings. And then decals are on their way, like I said earlier, so just gonna get the vinyl ordered once we figure out the scheme that he wants to go with, and then just start laying panels, I guess. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.